How to create reusable checklist in Notion. So let's get started. First thing here is you have to create an inline database. So let me type slash and then type inline database. And this is what it looks like. Now you can change untitled here. Let's just say I want to replace this as checklist, but actually everything is up to you. Tap this three dots to hide. Now this is what it looks like, and you can also delete properties right here if you think that these are not necessary. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add something here like a checklist, but let's make it reusable. First, click at this new button right here, and then you're going to add an icon, but this one is optional. Let's just say checklist. Now, after you have added a template, new template, you can now exit. Go back to your first template right here. Tap this arrow facing down again beside new. Click this three dots, set as default, and then for all views and checklist. Now go back here, and then what we're going to do now is we can now add some checklist. So we're going to delete some of the things that are unnecessary here. So to start, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add something here. For example, the things I need to complete this year. So you can add, or I can add as many projects or checklist. You can add as much as or as many as you can. Now we're going to add a property here for checkbox. Tap this plus icon, and then you have to look for checkbox as the type. Now you can change the name here, change this to complete or completed, so that once this task is finished, and then we can tap check or complete. Now we're going to change the layout to list. So to do that, tap the three dots and then go to layout and then tap list. Now the checkbox disappears. So again, tap this three dots, and then this time you have to go to properties. Then click complete, tap this eye icon. Then you will see the checkbox right here. Okay, so I toggle off full read so that it would be clearer. Now, let's just say these tasks are all complete, but you don't want to delete this. You just want to hide this. So click this filter icon and then tap this complete and then click and check. Okay, so as you can see, it will hide all of the completed task. And then what we're going to do is we want to reuse this checklist. Let's just say you want to tap it all, you want to hide it all because it's all finished, but you don't like to delete this. So what you're going to do now is you're going to add a button. This is a new feature here in Notion. So to do that, type slash and then type button. And you will see this button block right here. It's advanced blocks. And then tap this new button. And then after that, we're going to add a trigger, or we're going to add an action here. So let's just say we're going to name this as recurring or reset. We reset, and then you can change the icon if you want. And then after you have changed the icon here, you can proceed with adding actions. So if or when the button is clicked, add an action, click this edit pages in, click select database, and then tap checklist, edit a property. So here, what we're going to do is to tap complete and then uncheck and then done. That's it. So after you have checked everything here and you want to reuse this checklist again, then all you have to do is to tap this reset button. As easy as that. Click reset, and here it is. So I really hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.